Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we got a few inquiries on how to clasp this chain because it doesn't really have any links or openings where you can attach a ring or clasp. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys how you can actually make this chain into a necklace using crimp ends. In order to make this chain, we have two options that we carry that you can actually attach to the end of the chain in order to be able to add a ring and a clasp. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how. The first option I'll be showing you is this crimp end. The way to apply it is to actually slightly bend the crimp end so that it becomes more elongated. This way you'll actually be able to attach the chain inside of the crimp end, because without doing this first step, the chain doesn't physically fit inside of the crimp end. And next step, you want to actually bring out the chain just a little bit so that you can actually hold it while you use your round nose pliers to bend just the middle section of the clasp down onto the chain. You want to make sure it's very strong, and then twist it to the other side and do the same thing. And just bend down as strong as you can. Just cut the extra link off. The second type of crimp end that I'll be showing you is this fold over one. And what you want to do is take the side of the crimp end and fold it on top of the chain. After getting your crimp ends on of your choice, you just want to go ahead and take your jump ring and attach it to one of the sides and just close it up. And that's it. I always recommend applying a little bit of glue inside of the crimp ends prior to putting them onto the chain, because without a little bit of glue, there is a high possibility that they can actually slip off of the chain and break. So you don't want that happening. If you guys have any questions at all, please let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe and like this video so you don't ever miss a post. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.